Billboard. A very large board on which advertisements are shown, especially at the side of a road. Example: on the highway, we passed dozens of billboards showing his smiling face. TV commercials. Short films on TVs that are advertising a product. It is one of the most persuasive forms of advertising. Example: John is getting his first job as an advertiser in TV commercials. Magazine, radio, or email advertising. Advertising through putting up small posts on a magazine, or advertising for people who are listening to radio stations, or advertising your products or services by sending direct emails to your customers. Example: Vogue magazine's fashion ads are some of the most eye-catching ads out there. Flyer. An announcement or advertisement that is printed on a sheet of paper and given to people. Example: someone was handing out flyers advertising the local sales.